Welcome to our chat show on week by week pregnancy. And here we will discuss all weeks of your pregnancy starting from 0 to 40 weeks. And for which we have with us Dr. Preeti today. So Dr. Preeti is an obstetrician practicing at New Delhi and I am Dr. Nupur from Gurgaon. So did you all know that the pregnancy starts even before you are not aware of it? That is the week 0 of your pregnancy. And every week brings new challenges. Pregnancy itself is a beautiful experience, but will bring you new experiences week by week. So to understand and to be more mindful of this blissful experience, let us understand from Dr. Preeti that what changes do pregnant women undergo from 0 to 4 weeks out of a total of 40. So over to you, Dr. Preeti.
Thank you, Dr. Nupur. So I want to start my discussion with clarifying one thing which a lot of girls are confused about. They often ask us that, doctor, how do you calculate our date of delivery and the weeks of the pregnancy? So one thing I need to clarify at the onset is that we calculate the date of the expected date from the first day of your last menstrual period. We do not calculate it from the date of your conception because it is very difficult to pinpoint the date of conception. But one landmark which we are very sure of is the first date of your last menstrual period. Though you are not pregnant at that time, but the body actually prepares itself for the pregnancy in the initial 2 weeks from the first day of the last menstrual period. Over the period of 3 to 5 years when a female is menstruating, the old endometrium from the previous cycle is shed off, and after that, new endometrial lining or the lining of the uterus starts to grow, so it is actually preparing the uterus for the future conception. Simultaneously, when the uterus lining is increasing by millimeters, the ovaries are also producing a mature egg which grows from few millimeters to certain size. Eventually, after this process of preparation lasts for about 2 weeks, after that, a mature egg is released from the ovary. This mature egg, which we call as the Graafian follicle, ruptures and it travels through the fallopian tubes where it meets with the male sperm and the fertilization happens in the fallopian tube. That is when actual fusion of male and female cells happens and the journey of pregnancy begins. Over the next 2 weeks, when still you are not aware that you have conceived, the egg which is being fused from few cells multiplies rapidly into large number of cells, and slowly from the fallopian tube, it moves towards the uterus for future implantation. The endometrium or the lining of the uterus, which is like a bed for the baby or for where the implantation is going to eventually happen, grows, becomes few millimeters thick and is ready to receive the fertilized egg. Once by the end of approximately 4 weeks from the last date of period, the egg lands in the uterus and gets attached to the lining of the endometrium. When the connection between the egg and the mother in the form of placenta starts to happen, we would not call it a baby, but it will eventually grow into a fetus, starts a connection with the uterus, from where it will receive all the nutrition and the essential elements required for growth from the mother. So this is the onset, the start, where the journey of your rest of your pregnancy begins. Yes, over to you.
Yes. So thank you, Dr. Preeti, for highlighting when does menstrual cycle start, what is the beginning, how the egg comes over, how it is released at the time of ovulation, it meets the sperm, and then in the same cycle, the menstrual cycle, the endometrium will not shed but prepare itself to take the pregnancy and the implantation will happen. So for all of you to understand that in the fallopian tube, fertilization happens in the uterus, the implantation happens, and these are the first 4 weeks of journey of your baby, which you are going to see at the end of 40 weeks. So, to understand more about the next 4 weeks, that is from 5th week to the 8th week, we will discuss in our next episode. So, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.
Looking forward to meeting you all.